How to cancel Roshade subscriptions. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Roshade subscriptions. To do so, you will first need to visit the website of Roshade. For that, open any web browser on your device and at the address bar type the domain name of the official website of Roshade, roshade.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. It will take you to the official website of Roshade. Once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. If not, log in using your credentials. Now once you are logged into your account, at the top you will find account option. Click on that account option and from the pop-up menu here you can click on this my account option. Once you do so, you will be taken to your account page, where under quick actions you will find 4 different options. Here you will also find cancel plan option. This will help you to cancel your plan or subscriptions that you have previously subscribed. Go ahead and click on this cancel plan option to initiate the cancellation process. Here I have not subscribed any one of the Roshade subscription, so there isn't any subscription on this section. If you have previously subscribed to the Roshade, you should find the list of subscriptions here. From here you can select the active subscription and follow any additional prompts provided to you to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. After cancelling the subscription, verify it and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the subscription has been successfully cancelled. So by doing so, you can easily cancel the subscription on Roshade. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.